This is a tutorial for that iconic dance break in Michael Jackson and Janet Jackson's Scream video. I probably would not have even attempted this one if it hadn't been requested by so many people. It's not easy, it's not long, but it's pretty tricky. There's also some floor work with some knee drops. I can't do that full out every time. I can show you how to do it, and then you can practice on your own and get that, and we'll just kind of walk through it together. So let's learn it. So you're going to start with a knee slide. And to do that, step on your left foot. Also make sure you have on knee pads. Step on your left foot and you're going to drop your right knee and it's going to slide on the floor. You're going to drop your left knee, but then pick your left knee back up. You're going to step left, right to come up. So you're going to step on your left, slide on your right, and then pick that left foot back up, left, right. When you do that, take your arms and sort of throw them to the right. It kind of gives you some momentum. So step left, throw and slide right. And my knee kind of comes down, but not really all the way to the ground. And I'm going to come right back up, left, right. And so that's from the very beginning. Michael Jackson does this Scream, 5, 6, 7, 8. You slide 1, 2, 3. Sorry, you have to be up on 3 to hit the next part. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. So one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. On and 4, you can kind of do a little hip, kind of like a prep, and you're going to flip your hand 4 and hit that really hard, and your hand is open. So you just came up on and 3, hit 4, and look to the left on that. So slide 1, 2, up, and 3, hit 4. Now you're going to step across with your left foot. Everything stays the same except your left foot. Step across. You're going to step out with your right foot, drop your hand, and you're really just kind of on your right toe. You're going to drop your heel next. So from here, you're going to step left, right toe, drop your right heel, bring your right toe in. Now you're going to invert your left foot, left, and then your left knee is going to go out. So just the legs again. We have cross left in front, right, drop your heel, bring your toe in, invert your left knee pops out. So this is on 4. We have 5 and 6 and 7, and your hand moves on 8. So just the legs one more time. From here, this is 4. We have 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The hands on that, you've got legs and hands and head all doing different things. So from here, 4, head and hand stays the same on 5. On 6, you're going to look to the right, bring your hand down. When you drop your heel, that's all that really happens there. So that's on 6. And you're going to bring your right toe in and grab the bottom of your shirt. This is 4, 5, and 6. And when you invert your left leg, your head comes to the front, and you're going to pull your shirt up. 7, drop your shirt back down, left knee goes out, and you look to the right on that part. And then you're going to snap and look to the left on 8. So really, it's sort of like a lot of different poses all strung together. So this is 4, this is 5, and 6, and look front, 7, and 8. So your head is to the left, it stays to the left, look right, keep it right, look front, right, left. All that again from 4. This is 1, 2, 3, hit 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So all that again, we slid 1, 2 and 3, look, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That is tricky. I had to go over it many times slowly and just gradually get a little bit faster, a little bit faster. You really have to just do it until the muscle memory kicks in, because personally, I can't think of that many things happening that fast. So let's go from the beginning. We have the scream, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, look, 4, step, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. This is the knee drop. So there are ways that you can modify this. I started off just kind of bending and popping back up. If you want to actually do the knee drop, you're going to drop, and what I was doing at first, I was trying to sort of lower myself down and stay on my toes so that I can bring myself back up, but that's not the move, and you really don't have time to do that. So the actual move, you're going to drop from here. You drop straight to the whole bottom of your leg is flat on the ground. You jump down and then you spring back up and land here. I kept trying to do it carefully and just sort of ease down and push myself back up, and you just really can't do it that way. You've got to just throw it and jump back up. So from this, we just did this tricky part, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, you drop straight down, and it kind of helps to cross your arms and just swing them back. Drop, I'm not going to do it. 1, and then your arms are back. Use that momentum to come back up. 2, and you can land really low, which you almost kind of have to because it's so fast. So once you come back up and you land here, you're going to jump feet together and you're going to turn. So turn over your left shoulder. You're going to jump basically into a pencil, but you're going to turn as you do that. So from here, you're going to jump 3 and then down 4. So that turn, feet apart. Think about bringing your right foot, when you jump, you're bringing your right foot around, turning to the left, and you're going to kind of spin on the balls of your feet and then back out on 4. So we have slide, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, down, 1, up, 2, around, 3, down, 4. Let's try that again. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, slide, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, down, 1, up, 2, around, 3, 4. From here, you're going to hit your right hand with your left, kind of like you're hitting it out of the way. So you hit it on 5, and think about your knee is attached to your hand. So when your hand goes out, your knee goes out with it. It's going to come back in and circle around and land here. So this is just sort of knocking that hand into motion. You have 5 and 6. You want to hit here on 6. You're looking forward the whole time. So you just did your knee drop. You came up, around, 3, down, 4, hit 5 and 6, and stay looking to the front. I always want to look to the right on that, but you have to wait and look on and. So that's a separate movement. So again, knee drop, 1, up, 2, around, 3, down, 4, hit 5 and 6. And you're just swinging, let me face the camera. You're just swinging out and around. See, I just looked. So hit 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Look on and. You're going to meet your hand 7. And when you hit your hands together, your knees are going to invert. So this is 7. Bring your hands around and up to here. So they're going here, here, in, around, and up to here. While that's happening, your knees are going to go invert, come out, and straighten up. And you're gonna sort of circle your shoulders while you do it, so it looks very circly. Is that a word? I just made it up. From here, 6 and 7 and 8. So from the back, how'd we get here? Oh yeah, we did 5 and 6, look, and 7 and 8. Should we add that from the beginning? Let's try it, but without the floor work. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, down 1, up 2, around 3, down 4, 5, and 6, look, and 7, and 8. Okay, this is my favorite part. This is this little thing. So to do that, your knees are going to stay on your toes. Your knees are going in, out, and you don't want to be flat-footed. They're not just shaking like this. They're actually twisting. So stay up on the balls of your feet. Start with your left hand. You're going to punch straight down and then let it swing up. And let the back of your hand stay facing the front. So punch down, swing it up. Right hand, punch down, swing it up. And what I mean by that is I'm punching down, and so you're seeing the back of my hand, and just keep the back of your hand toward the front. Punch down, swing it up, down, swing it up. So when you punch down, your knees are inverted. So you're going in, out, in, and in, out, in, and in, out, in, and in, out, in. So that is right after we just brought it back. 7, 8. We're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. There's a little bit of a lean away from your arm. So when you've got your left arm going, you're just leaning a little bit over to the right, a little bit over to the left. And she's very stoic on this part. She's just kind of like glaring at the camera. So let's add that from the beginning just to keep track of where we are. So we start off with the scream, 5, 6, 7, 8, down 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, down 1, up 2, around 3, down 4, hit your hand, 5 and 6, look, and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, it's hard to do slow, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So the next part, you just finished 7 and 8. You're just gonna invert your right knee even further, and you're gonna rock back. And so you're putting all your weight on your right foot, and you're pushing your hips to the left. So you're rocking back, back, and when you do that, pull up. So it's almost like you're pulling yourself back this way. So you have 1, 2, 3. On 4, you're gonna hit out to the side, both knees invert, and look to the left. So you're looking front on this part. 1, 2, 3, hit 4. So that's right after 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and lose my mouth, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, hit 4. On and 5, your knees are going to come out, your hand goes up, and 5. So you're looking to the left, hand is out, knees are inverted. You're going to look to the front, hands come up, down, and your legs go out on and 5. So this is 4 and 5. So from 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now they're going to invert again, and 6. Your hand is going to go left, right, and 6. So this is 4. This is and 5 and 6. So this is right after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. The next part we don't know because the video cuts to some different scenes and cuts away from their dancing. I've seen people just kind of like make up the last and 7 and 8. On 1, they kind of hit this pose. Michael punches front. Janet does this step forward kind of scream thing. So I'm just trying to hit to get to that point. So after you do and 5 and 6, you have and 7 and 8 and 1. So you can kind of do whatever you want on and 7 and 8. I tend to go and 7, whatever, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1. Sometimes I go and pull it up, look, 1, whatever you want to do for that and 7 and 8. But that's it. I know it's a lot. I know it's kind of tricky. Practice slowly and just take your time and be patient with yourself. It took me a lot of going over it and over it and over it slowly to get it. So let's do it all from the beginning with counts. I'm probably not going to do the knee drop, but you know where it is. You know it's there. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, hit 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, down 1, up 2, around 3, down 4, hit your hand, 5, and 6, look, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, hit 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. As you are probably well aware, the video is quite a bit faster than that. I'm going to post a separate video to practice with music, and I think I might actually start at 0.5 speed, and then 0.75 speed, and then full speed. But for now, let's do it one more time with counts, and I'm going to try to count a little bit faster. Okay, here we go. From the slide, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, down 1, up 2, around 3, down 4, hand 5, 6, look, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, hit 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. So keep practicing. I'll post a separate video with the music and I'll link that in the description, but I hope that is helpful. Let me know what you want me to teach next.